I'd like you to introduce yourself first, Steve, and tell us who you are and what you do.
My name is Steve Studley. I'm the CEO and owner of Trident Computer Resources.
And when did you first think about the problem that you were having with your systems? What brought it up initially?
We had a legacy system that we were using as a dispatch system primarily, and that's all it did for us. It really became apparent to me that we were not capturing a lot of data, and that the end product, if you will, the dispatch to our engineers and in absentia to our customers was really not there. We tried to correct the situation. We took on a off-the-shelf product to rectify this and implement a new software. That didn't work out very well. It didn't really conform to our needs. It didn't really understand our industry, and to end that implementation failed after quite really a lost year of trying to get it implemented. That's when we came looking for help to CSDP.
What were you looking for specifically when you were looking for help? What were you searching? What was the business problem?
Absolutely.
Okay.
The problem was twofold. Really, I understood that in our business, data was key. There were a lot of metrics we weren't capturing, and a lot of data that could help improve our ROI. We purchased spares to service customers, and in that transaction, there was a lot of data we were missing. Also, I became aware that we really didn't have any process, and even as a small business, we were lacking process. And I had a good idea that bringing in a new software, primarily for dispatch, but as it spread throughout the rest of the company, would help us implement process to as we implemented the software.
Did you see an effect on that on the organization in terms of process? Did you see that helping your organization?
Yeah, absolutely, no doubt. All the way through the implementation process with CSDP, we found that as we implemented the modules, the individuals and the owners of that process, if you will, became aware that they were owners of a process, and documentation followed shortly after. We attacked that almost in concert with CSDP and the implementation of the software.
When you were looking at CSDP as a vendor, what was the difference between CSDP and other software vendors?
Yeah. That became very apparent from our previous experience. We had taken a Microsoft product that had worked for other companies, anecdotally, and we tried to implement it ourselves. We had a vendor that sold us that software, but honestly, they were nowhere to be found when things got tough. And we were expected to change our business to conform with the software. With CSDP, it was completely the other way around. CSDP came in, took a good look at our business, understood our business, and helped us. The software really was a byproduct of understanding our business.